Hi there, today I'm going to share with you how you change color in Photoshop. At first, duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J, go to Image, Adjustment, Match Color. In Source, select SU8 JPEG. I'll leave the file in the description. Decrease the luminance to 67 and increase color intensity to 113. Then OK. Use curve to add a little bit of contrast to the photo by increasing highlight and decreasing shadow. Put both layers into group and enjoy! If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.